Hello, and how are you today? This is my 4-step cure number 21. Cleansing your insides. Yes, we eat so much junk, so much trash throughout our lives, and you need to constantly be flushing those things out. Whether it's a salt flush, a master cleanse, a colonics, there's so many things that you can buy over the counter. Get that stuff out of your system. You wonder why you're not feeling good, or you wonder why you have this taste in your mouth, or you have this bad smell from your mouth when you talk. That's a backup. You need to get that stuff out. Don't feel embarrassed. Don't feel like, oh, it's not me. It couldn't happen to me. Yes. And if you need to, consult a physician. We have 211 in the area. We have a free clinic. If you want a physician's advice on how to flush any old food that's in your system, there are many natural ways to do it. But as you're cleaning your spirit and your soul, you need to also protect your body and cleanse all of that stuff out. If you need help, Google some stuff. Everything doesn't work for everybody, but you need to find something that can help flush all of that stuff out. You wonder why, oh, I'm feeling bad, I got indigestion, and that's why. Once you flush all of that stuff out of your intestines, your stomach will start to decrease. You'll lose that weight in that section of your body. It's amazing. Just try it. And that is my pushing point for today. Please enjoy the rest of your day.